Tuba, also known as cocoa wine or coconut toddy, is harvested from the flowers of the coconut tree. Here is a general process of how tuba is harvested. 1. Selecting the right tree. The first step is to identify mature coconut trees that are suitable for harvesting tuba. These trees should be at least 15 years old and have a healthy crown with flowering spikes. 2. Tapping the flowers. The coconut tree's inflorescence, also known as the spadix or flowering spike, is carefully tapped to collect the sap. The spadix is a long stalk-like structure that contains numerous small flowers tightly packed together. 3. Making incisions. A skilled harvester climbs the tree and makes a series of shallow incisions on the spadix using a special knife or cutter. These incisions are made in a spiral pattern around the spadix, allowing the sap to flow out. 4. Collecting the sap. Once the incisions are made, a collection container like a bamboo tube or a clay pot is attached to the base of the spadix to collect the sap. The sap starts flowing immediately after the incisions are made. 5. Regular collection. The sap, known as tuba, drips slowly from the incisions into the collection container. Harvesters typically collect the sap twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, to ensure a steady supply. 6. Filtering and fermentation. The collected sap is then filtered to remove any impurities or debris. It is then transferred to fermentation containers, which are usually earthenware pots or plastic drums. The sap naturally ferments due to the presence of natural yeasts in the environment. The sugars in the sap convert into alcohol, resulting in the formation of tuba. The alcohol content in tuba is relatively low, usually around 4 to 6%. It is important to note that the process may vary slightly depending on the region and traditional practices. Additionally, tuba can also be further processed to produce other coconut-based alcoholic beverages like coconut arak or vinegar.